Hi, my name is Abigail and I'm a product manager in the Checkpoint R&D. Today I want to show you the overview of the threat protection module of CloudGuard SaaS. As you can see in here, the overview gives you at a glance a view of what's going on in your SaaS applications. You can see malware events, phishing events, shadow IT, DLP, and anomalies. Here, you can see a live feed of the events happening in your SaaS applications. For example, we can see that Checkpoint has detected a sensitive data leak in SharePoint. There was also a leak done by email through Office 365 emails. You can see here a phishing email that was just received by a user, etc., etc. At a glance, you can also take a look at the logins happening in your SaaS applications from a geolocation perspective. And in red, you would see the events that have only a little amount of logins, probably alerting you of an anomaly going on here. For example, you can see that the majority of my logins here are coming from just right here, the United States, and I have a couple of logins here coming from Canada. That might be an anomaly or might not be. Here you can have a general idea of how many users you have in your SaaS applications, how many emails, how many files, etc. And below, what we're scanning in here with the different security blades that Checkpoint provides. Now, let's take a look at the Shadow IT module in here. So I'm going to click on this. And here's what we see. This customer has end users that are using applications potentially without him knowing, but thanks to CloudGuard SaaS, he now has visibility into what's going on in his organization. For example, we can see here what are the services that are the most used. ADP, Eventbrite, Dropbox. Here, Dropbox might be a good reason to start securing Dropbox with CloudGuard SaaS. You can see right away which applications are being used by which users. For example, here, this user is specifically using ADP. Over the time, you can see which applications are mostly used, and again, it will give you an idea of what's going on in the company in terms of Shadow IT.